Hey guys, I'll be answering the question if you can transfer or withdraw your money from Binance to Payoneer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so transferring funds directly from Binance to Payoneer isn't supported at this point in time, as the two platforms don't have a direct integration. However, you can achieve this indirectly by following these steps. So you can withdraw your funds from Binance to your bank. So you convert your cryptocurrency to fiat. So log into your Binance account and so you desired cryptocurrency for fiat currency, for example, USD, EUR. Then you want to initiate your withdrawal. So navigate to the withdrawal section, select the fiat currency and choose bank transfer as the withdrawal method. Then you want to provide your bank details. So enter your bank account information and confirm the transaction. Processing times may vary depending on your bank and region. Number 2 here, transfer funds from your bank account to Payoneer. Now you want to log into Payoneer, access your Payoneer account and navigate to the receive section. Then you want to add bank account. If you haven't already, add your bank account details to link it with Payoneer. Then you want to initiate the transfer. So once the funds have arrived in your bank account from Binance, you can transfer them to your Payoneer account. Be aware of any fees and processing times associated with this transfer. And you got an alternative method here, so using P2P platforms. So you can find a P2P platform. So some P2P cryptocurrency marketplace allows users to buy and sell crypto using various payment methods, which includes Payoneer, and then simply sell your currency, your cryptocurrency. On such a platform, you can sell your crypto and choose Payoneer as the payment to receive funds directly into your Payoneer account. Ensure you use reputable platforms and verify the credibility of buyers to avoid potential scams. And there's some important considerations before you do this. So fees, each step may involve fees. So review the structures of Binance, your bank and Payoneer to understand the total costs. And there's some processing time. So transfers between platforms and banks can take several business days. So plan accordingly to accommodate these timelines. And you might need some verification requirements. So ensure your accounts on all platforms are fully verified to prevent any delays or issues during the transfer process.